Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to the class. My name is Naren Kumar and this is our channel Guidely. And this is again a recorded show. 1st September onwards, everything will be live. All right. So, like always, there are six different paragraphs. Okay, and there are so many different questions based on these paragraphs. Answer everything. This is your practice session based on the Hindu article. All right. And before we start, quick important information. IBPS RRB Free 2020 live test. Okay, these tests are very important for all of you. Okay, 29th August. Okay, and that is today. IPS RRB PO Pre live test. इसको एंड IPS RRB क्लर्क प्री, ठीक है, पीओ एंड क्लर्क दो टेस्ट हमारे पास में, दोनों अटेम्प्ट करना एंड इनरोल नाउ. Okay, go to IPS guide application. All right, and you can enroll the complete course. We have this express video course. Okay, NASA team के सारे members वहाँ पे पढ़ा रहे हैं. जाओ सबसे पढ़ो and be ready for the exam. In platinum package, this is about mock test series. There's your offer going on. You can go for the offer. Yes, and this is free mentorship program. This one is actually free for all, and if you need any kind of help and guidance, you can talk to us anytime. All right, and this is IVPS PO batch. ये तो सबका dream batch है because we all need this one. Okay, for our preparation and short preparation. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to Guidely. Now let's start our learning. Ready? So we have first paragraph. एंड फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ में हमें दिख रहा है ब्लैंक दिख रहा है. सो हमें क्या, आई नीड टू पे अटेंशन टू द टोन और राइट टू द टॉपिक. टॉपिक भी पता करना है कौन सा टॉपिक है एंड टोन कैसा है, उसी के बेस पे हम लोग आंसर लगा सकते हैं. गो फॉर इट. आई गिव यू 30 seconds. ओके, आई एम श्योर आपको आंसर मिल गया होगा. ऑलराइट, आई विल बी लाइव इन द कमेंट सेक्शन, सो आई विल चेक योर रिस्पॉन्सेज एज वेल. देखते हैं कितना लोग सही करता है. Okay, now, okay, let's study the topic. Pakistan's moves. Pakistan ने क्या स्टेप लिए to tackle to fight terrorism on its soil, particularly cross-border terrorism. Okay, have often been as one step forward and one step back. Okay, उस ये जो उनका स्टेप है उसको कैसे इंजॉय नहीं किया गया, ना डिनाई किया गया, डिस्क्राइब किया गया. दैट स्टेप, that policy by the Pakistani government has been described as one step forward and one step back. When it comes to the broader supporters group have, okay, enjoyed within the country. All these terror groups, they are getting the support. We know that, easy story. Enjoyed. Thus, it would come as little surprise. Little surprise means no surprise at all. Means we know the story. It's obvious. It's in public domain. Okay, all right. That within days of issuing a statutory regular order, SRO listing that included Dawood Ibrahim, the LETs Jackie Rahman, Lakwi, and about 85 other designated terrorists, directing official to implement the UNSC committee resolution against them. Pakistan Foreign Ministry MFA, all right, denied that the listing was new. Okay, so this is describe, enjoy, included, denied. C is correct answer. It was an easy paragraph, right? Now let's do the mapping of the paragraph. Pakistan, terrorism, fighting, all right, terror group already there, and there is a list of terrorists. Pakistan Ministry of Finance, Pakistan Foreign Affairs Ministry, they denied the list. So always do the mapping. Why? Because we need to remember the idea as well, so that we can answer the question later on. Okay. One step forward and one step back. What does that idiom mean? If you take one step forward, okay, two step backs, you make progress. But then experience event that caused you to further behind than you were, okay, when you made the progress. Means आपको लगता है आप प्रोग्रेस कर रहे हैं, बट लेटर ऑन जाकर के यू फील कि यू हैव बीन लूजिंग. कम एज लिटिल सरप्राइज मीन्स completely unsurprising. We know the story. Implement. Put a decision plan into effect. Resolutions, a firm decision to do or not to do something. Denied, we know that. Paragraph number 2. Go for it. The listing had, okay, how many grammar errors can you find in the paragraph? Okay, take your time. Those guys watching offline video, just stop the video and answer all the questions, then play. It will be easier for you. The listing had UNSC and Interpol information on at least 5 Pakistani passport and 3 Karachi addresses that belong to Dawood and former underworld don and the accused mastermind of Mumbai 93 blast. First sentence. आप फिर से चेक करो. The listing जो वहाँ पे हुई थी पाकिस्तान में, alright, had, okay, UNSC and Interpol information on at least 5 Pakistani passports. Okay, first error, correct. 5 Pakistani passport because it's a plural, easy, and 3 Karachi addresses that belonged, or it's a past story. It's a past story. Looks good. That belonged to Dawood. Former underworld. देखो guys, आप इस तरह से याद रखो FORE 4, alright, FORMER former, और वो हमारा होता है फर्स्ट. तो जब ऑर्डर बताने वाले वर्ड्स होते हैं उनके आगे हम आर्टिकल द लगाते हैं. तो दिस शुड बी द फॉर्मर underworld don and the accused mastermind of Mumbai's 1993 blasts. So there are 2 errors, हमें पता मिल गया. Alright. However, the MFA says, देखो, ministry, okay, foreign affairs. So this is a single ministry, hence we want singular verb. Subject verb agreement. The MFA says that SRO did not imply an admission. An admission means an acceptance that, alright, he lives there, कि वहाँ पे वो रहता है. Okay, correct. Instead, it argues means ministry argues, argue करती है. The move was a routine once. The move means a single step, single decision. Was a means a routine once नहीं हुआ, it should be one. Third error. हाँ, fourth error एक ये भी था. As part of Pakistani's international commitments, accordingly, Pakistan is required to align his domesticated terror. Listen, यहाँ पे pronoun आया हुआ है. So pronoun, that means we need to verify, look for the correct noun. Pakistan is required to align its होना चाहिए. But Pakistan is a country, so we need neutral gender pronoun. और वजह से Pakistan is required to align its what? Domesticated terror listing. देखो, दो वर्ड्स होते हैं. एक होता है हमारे पास में डोमेस्टिक और another word is domesticated. These are 2 different words. Domestic घरेलू, okay, इंटरनल मैटर वाला हो गया, और डोमेस्टिकेटेड मीन्स होता है जब किसी चीज़ को, जैसे बहुत ही ज़्यादा, जस्ट लाइक देयर इज अ लायन, okay, और टाइगर. In Saudi Arabia, I'm sure, or in Dubai, you have seen the videos where there is a lion sitting next to the prince. Okay, so those aggressive animals, and you domesticate them, you make them gharelu, you make them, okay, just like dog. So domesticate them, you train them, and they become normal. तुमने उन्हें domesticate कर दिया. All right, so domesticated is wrong. This should be domestic terror listings with those issued by the UNSC's ISL and Al-Qaeda Sanction Committee. All right, so the first error was passports, plural, okay, and articles are required here. All right, this should be singular says. This should be one as part of Pakistan international. According to Pakistan, is required to align its domestic terror. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 errors. अब अपना मैच करो कि आपको कितना मिला. Okay, did you got 100% correct matching? All right. Imply, indicate the truth or existence of by suggestion rather than explicit reference. All right. One more paragraph. So today's story is about the Pakistan soil, Pakistan, what are the affairs going on in the Pakistan regarding terrorism, United Nations. All right. Thus far, the domestic listing maintained under the country's Anti-Terrorism Act by, thus far correct, the domestic listing correct, maintained under the country's Anti-Terrorism Act by National Counter-Terrorism Authority had not included either Dawood or, all right. Okay, okay. The bold part is grammatically correct. हाँ. Okay, ये वाला part bold किया गया था, ये वाला. The National Counter-Terrorism Authority. All right. This part was bold actually. Bold आपको show नहीं कर रहा होगा, but no problem. Again, so let's verify. Thus far, the domestic, this part, the bold part is already correct. The remaining part, let's try to find the error, if there is any. Thus far, the domestic listing correct. Maintained under the country's Anti-Terrorism Act by the National Counter-Terrorism Authority had not included. So the domestic, now we look for the correct verb. This is the subject verb. The domestic listing, the subject, had not included either Daud or Lakvi. This makes sense. Either followed by or, correct. Okay, who was tried? Daud Lakvi, who was tried briefly for the 2611 attacks but was granted bail in 2014. In contrast, LET Chief Hafiz Saeed and JEM Chief Masood Azhar, who was designated by the UNSC in May 2019, have been added to the domestic NSC list. उसको ऐड किया गया है हाफिज सईद को. तो एक्चुअली इसमें नो एरर है. Okay, everything is correct. All the relative pronoun, all the verb, articles, everything is perfect. So let's move on to the next one. Designated. Obviously give a specified status of name. Designated. All right. Classify, pronounce, label, tag, entitle. That is designated. Tag कर देना. Parajumble. Take your time. This is a recorded class, so do not worry because there is a net issue wherever I'm staying, and that's why this is recorded class. Remember, we are going to solve KBC quiz, and that is going to be very interesting for all of you. I'll give you enough time for KBC. So, Parajumble. Take your time. First of all, elimination. Sir, A, B, C, D, ruled out, ruled out. Then find opening. Then find pairs, pairs, pairs. Then correct order of the sentence to make the paragraph meaningful paragraph. Okay, now let's solve it together, okay? The confusion over SRO and the Pakistani discussion gave credence to the belief. The confusion. All right. तो मे बी confusion का कहीं ना कहीं यहाँ पे hint होगा. All right. We need to mention the confusion of what type of confusion. A claim countered by Indian government. A claim. Which claim? You need to ask this question. All right. That it's a government. This is incomplete sentence, cannot be opening sentence. That included, what included? No idea. That means we are dead sure E is our opener. The Pakistan's Foreign Affairs Ministry claims that the listing, the listing is subject, right? Or whenever there is a subject, we look for a verb. Go for it. Use grammar, use keyword, use tricks, and you can find easy answers. Look for a verb. Okay, now stop. The Pakistan's Foreign Affairs Ministry that claims the listing, okay, that included किसके लिए वो verb के लिए, the listing के लिए. So all right, E and D, definitely these two are a pair. All right. That include Dawood and Lakshmi had been issued earlier, comma. Okay. Okay. A claim countered by Indian government sources who say this is a first. Okay. EDB. All right. The confusion over the SRO Pakistan disclaimer give credence to the belief. कौन सा belief है? All right. Belief that it's the belief के बाद में that ही आएगा. इस लिस्ट का that ही आ रखा है. Pairs. That its government lacks the seriousness of purpose when it comes to its action against all terrorists. So EDBAC. This is the correct order. EDBAC. अगर आपका सही गया तो do let me know in the comment section. All right. Counter, a thing which opposes. Counter. Disclaimer, a statement that denies something. Credence, the C-R-E-D, cred, root word. Belief in or acceptance of something as true. Okay, paragraph number 5. This is phrase replacement. This is a very interesting question. Very interesting question. Okay, I hope आपका आंसर मिल गया होगा using vertical reading approach. Let's discuss in detail. If in fact the SRO named these terrorists in past orders, then why it has been failed to add them to its domestic listing? Fine. So notice named, notice this verb, notice failed, notice this. Okay, the SRO had named, had named. Notice क्या आप लोगों ने? All right, had been named or had named, or had named. So something is wrong. Okay, A and C looks similar. Had named. This is has or this is had been. These two ruled out. B and D definitely ruled out. All right. Yeah. Okay. So the SRO had named these terrorists in past orders. The terrorists in past orders. Then why it has failed? Then why has it failed? Now notice this part. Notice this part. So all I'm trying to teach you to learn to compare, guys. Compare करना सीखो. You need to देखो why it has failed. Why has it failed to add them to its domestic listings? All right. All right. So here we are asking question. If you notice, there is a question now. When we ask question, the verb comes first, then comes subject. So that's why this order is wrong. C is correct answer. All right. If in fact, now let's read correctly. If in fact the SRO had named means SRO ने पहले ही named कर दिया था उनको. Already mentioned. That's why past perfect. SRO had named these terrorists in the past order, then why has it failed to add them to its domestic listing? And then we have question mark. If it has included doubts, addresses, and passport on its own SRO, directing official to ensure everyone on the list does not have access to funding, arms and trouble, then for the foreign ministry to say it's paying lip service. To pay lip service means to do nothing. All right, you just promise something, but you never do anything. All right. FATF directives is a matter of concern. All right, so this is correct answer. Number 6. Paragraph completion. Okay, go for this one as well. Finally, regardless of which list Pakistan places any of the terrorists named, and when it did so, the question is what has Pakistan done to investigate? Pakistan ने क्या किया है? Prosecute, or punishment, and apprehend them, arrest them. In October, Pakistan is expected to face some of these questions at the FATF plenary session, which will decide if its actions merit a reprieve from the grey or increased monitoring list. All right, comma. This looks very easy because if you notice the first part after comma, You can easily answer. Okay. If you are confused now, so always start from here. Pakistan expected to face some of these questions at the opposition, which will decide if its action merit a reprieve from the grey or increased monitoring list. All right. Or okay. Or be downgraded to the black or high risk jurisdiction. Increased monitoring or blacklisted. This makes sense. Or be downgraded to the black or high risk jurisdiction list and face sanctions. और उसमें बैन लग जाएगा. बैन लग जाएगा. So whenever we use or na, so we use similar information, similar keyword, negative, negative. All right. So this makes sense. A list of registered terrorists would be denied to funds. No, different. Add the name of the UNSC list. No. Clear Pakistan. No. A is correct answer. All right. On the ground, the reason. In or at a location where the real work or action is happening. Achha, as opposed to the, we need to have reporters on the ground. On the means the location. Yeah, that means location. और जो मैं बोल रहा था ना रीजन वाला, and that is on the grounds. GROUND on the grounds of. That means reason. Is reason पे. But this one is actually on the ground. That is location. Back and forth, moving first in one direction and then in opposite. Prosecute. Institute or conduct legal proceedings. Apprehend, arrest for a crime. Reprieve, very interesting vocabulary. Cancel or postpone the punishment of someone, especially condemned to death. Under the new regime, prisoners under sentence of death were reprieved. Means उनको cancel, postpone कर दिया था punishment. Abate, absolved, alleviate. Means उनको माफ कर दिया गया था. All right. They were forgiven for their sin. Downgraded, reduced to a lower grade. All right, now it is time to KBC quiz. Chaliye. So we have studied all these 6 paragraphs. Okay, we remember the story, how UNSC playing role, Pakistan and other institutions. First question, choose the suitable title for the given article. Give suitable title. Pakistan dragging feet, confusion in domestic listing, matter of concern, back and forth, abortive directives. Okay, we can easily answer by looking at the first part of these options. All right, I hope you got your answer. Effective directive or reprieving Pakistan. पाकिस्तान को माफ कर दिया गया है. Okay, now. All right. Back and forth on Pakistan's move to tackle terrorism. So we have keyword terrorism and Pakistan. If you're confused na ki which one is correct option, then look for the options having more keywords. Pakistan and terrorism, back and forth, taking opposite decisions. Matter of concern, punishing Pakistan. This is about only punishing Pakistan, but no, terrorism and Pakistan makes more sense. The story is about Pakistan and terrorism. Pakistan dragging feet on sentencing Dawood. No, this is about 2 individuals. No, this is more. There were 85 other terrorists as well. So इसका scale छोटा हो गया है. Scale ruled out. Confusion domestic listing. This is about the only listing. FAT versus Pakistan now. So you know correct answer is B. Back and forth. Pakistan moves and tackle terrorism. B is your correct answer. Next question. Which of the following will best sum up the given article? Summary. Pakistan, terrorism, okay, and the actions taken to tackle the terrorism in the Pakistan. All right. Pakistan needs to show proof of its action on the ground, on the location, rather than going back and forth on the paperwork. Pakistan ko, they need to show the actions. Okay. Pakistan must stop funding down. This is about funding. Definitely ruled out. Pakistan government lacks a series of purpose. All right. When it comes to following the international law, all right. It is to be checked whether the Pakistan investigating, prosecuting, apprehending the accused. All right. Pakistan must fulfill its FATF obligations by acting against terrorists. Terrorism, terrorist obligations, FATF in Pakistan. E is your correct answer. Having all the important keyword and the course of action. I always tell summary is course of action or suggestion, having all the elements. So E is your correct answer. ओके अपना आंसर भी चेक करते चलो कि आउट ऑफ 7 आपको कितना ऑप्शन सही आ रहा है एक ही बार में आपका आंसर आ जाना चाहिए बिकॉज इन एग्जाम यू हैव टू बी ब्रूटल यू डोंट हैव मच टाइम ओनली 30 seconds ऑलराइट थर्ड क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 what can be inferred from the statement so far the domestic listing maintained under the country's anti-terrorism act by the national counter-terrorism NST had not included either doubt तो ये जो कंट्री का लिस्ट आया था राइट डोमेस्टिक लिस्टिंग उसमें दाऊद का नाम नहीं था लखवी का भी नहीं था बट पाकिस्तान एमपी क्लेम दैट द लिस्टिंग दैट इंक्लूड दाऊद एंड लखवी हैड बीन इशूड अर्लियर और पाकिस्तान कह रहा है कि हमने ये लिस्ट पहले ही दे दिए थे ऑलराइट वी ऑलरेडी डिड इट पब्लिश्ड इट a claim counter by Indian government source who say this is the first. Okay, Indian saying that this is the first list. In the first list, they haven't included or Daud and the Lakhvi. All right. While Indian government said that, yeah, this was the first list, yes, that included Daud or Lakhvi. Pakistan government denied this claim. They are saying, no, 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 this is not the first. We earlier issued a list. Correct. Pakistan may have argued that this was the first time name of the Dawood and were included in the list of okay. Now, this is wrong. Pakistan ministry is saying, guys, in this list we don't have Dawood, but in the previous list we already published. Or this officer is saying that Pakistan MF argue that this is the first time we are introducing them. No, they didn't introduce. That is the problem. Sorry, ruled out. Although until now the name of the terrorist were not included in the NSCTA, they were not included. Pakistan government argues they had done it earlier. So A and C correct. All right. Number 4. What can be illustrated from the statement? The confusion over the SRO's list and Pakistan disclaimer give credence to the belief. Confusion over list. Pakistan disclaimer give credence to the belief that its government lacks a serious purpose. Pakistan government is not serious when it comes to its action against terrorists. When it comes to terrorists, they are not serious. That is what it shows. All right. Look for a correct story. The confusion in the list provided by SRO Pakistan denial but shows the government of Pakistan frivolous. Frivolous means majakiya, not serious. So if you know the meaning, correct answer. The recent incident regarding SRO list shows that the government of Pakistan is not determined to counter complete terrorism. Okay, let's find out correct and incorrect. You decide. The recent incident regarding the SRO list shows that government of Pakistan is not determined. When they're not determined, they're not serious. Correct. There is a confusion over what? The list provided by the SRO and that of Pakistan denying the claims against it. Okay, all of the above. All three stories are correct. Whatever the list we got, it shows that Pakistan is not serious fighting against terrorism. All right, question number 5. With respect to the statement, it would come, as a little surprise that within days of issuing statutory listing, all right, direct official to implement University Committee resolution against Pakistan Foreign Ministry denied the listing was new. All right, Pakistan said that this list is not new because we already published, but that's not true. India says that's not true. Okay, so कौन सा वाला correct है? Let's find out. The list of statutory order which includes name of the Dawood, okay, and about would not come as a surprise to Pakistan. Okay, would not. It would come as a little surprise that. Okay, मतलब no surprise at all. Okay, would not come as a surprise to Pakistan. Yes, they were surprised actually. They were like, hey, we already published this list. All right. So this is wrong. It is not a surprise that Pakistan did not agree. Pakistan did not agree that the list issued by the SRO, which includes name of the Dawood Ibrahim, all right, like it was new. This is correct information. The MFA of Pakistan said that the listing which includes, okay, imagine karo, MFA of Pakistan said the listing which includes the terrorism Dawood Ibrahim, okay, was new. All right, new nahi thi. They said ki it is not new. We already did it. This ruled out, this ruled out. B is correct answer. Okay, question number 6, last two questions. This is a short show, recorded show. All right, I'm trying to conduct this show so that कि आपको कम से कम revision बना रहे. All right. What can be concluded from the statement? If Pakistan has included all the addresses, passports on its own SRO, all right, direct official to ensure everyone on the list does not have access to funding arms travel, then foreign ministry to say it's paying lip service to the FATF directives is a matter of concern. All right, they are not doing their job properly. Foreign Ministry of Pakistan says that Pakistan is acting in accordance with the FATF directives. They are saying कि हम FATF directives को follow कर रहे हैं. We are following the order of FATF. We are working in accordance. Saying that it has included the Dawood's address in passport in this on its own. Yeah, यही बात लिखी हुई थी. Correct. This story is written here in other words. Correct. Now B. If Pakistan included Dawood's address in passport on its own, it is a matter of concern. That it acts according to the instruction given to FATF. All right. So A and B both are correct. C. FATF claimed that Pakistan was acting like it agrees with FATF directives but do nothing to support it. All right. अब इधर देखो. Pakistan has included direct officer to ensure everyone on the list does not have access to funding. Then for the foreign ministry to say it is paying lip service to the FATF directives is a matter of concern. वो lip service कर रहा है. Lip service means they are following somebody but not helping them. All right. FATF claimed that Pakistan was acting like it agrees with FATF directives but do nothing to support it. But actually agrees वाली बात नहीं लिखी हुई थी यहाँ पे. And that's why, this ruled out. A and B is correct answer. D is your answer. Next, what is the tone of the given passage? In this story, terrorism, Pakistan, FATF, and the listing. According to writer, what is the tone? Is it doubtful? Is it dogmatic? Practical in a negative way? Grandiose? Full of show-off? Exfoliating? Introspective? Go for it. Let's find out. Do you know the meaning of this word? All right. So look for the positive and negative word. Introspective, we know the word, right? When we self-examine something, we think about our actions. This is criticize. When we criticize somebody severely, बहुत ज़्यादा criticize करते हैं. All right. और cynical is doubt. All right. So क्या होने वाला है? So this is simple. आपको पता ही चल गया. D is going to be your answer. Dogmatic is like having the practical values. Cynical, doubtful, grandiose, show off. This is criticize. This is self-examination. So of course criticism हो रहा है यहाँ पे. As we can see, criticism is going on. So D is correct answer. So in today's KBC, what is your score? I want to know your score. Please leave a comment. All right. Out of 7 में से आपका score कितना है? All the best. Don't forget to like the session. And the new guys watching this video, please watch my 10-20 old videos, the live videos. उसमें आपको ज़्यादा समझ में आ जाएगा. All the best, guys. All the best. Have a great day.